Hello everybody, this is me, Unknown, back again, and this is a crude oil chart. Okay, so here is the daily range, and before uploading this video, I upload a video on YouTube on the market review and the next move of the crude oil. That is this, but that video is still not edited properly, so I do not upload it on YouTube at today, 12th August. So maybe this lecture is provide to you little bit late, but yes. Okay, so there is the 4 hour range, and I told in the previous lecture, which is not still uploaded on the YouTube, that price is going to reverse from there. And after this market structure shift, left side swing breaked, market goes up, and this rejection block, it took this rejection block and then going down, and this purple colored box is the new day opening gap. Okay, and this huge light purple is our weekly volume imbalance, and this orange colored is inversion volume imbalance taken from the bullish leg of the weekly range. Okay, so I am using this new day opening gap as premium PDRA. Okay, and this is the two consecutive bearish order block upside close candles. And now we go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, so this is the 1 hour chart, and this is the extreme 1 hour order block of the premium range, and this is our 4 hour short term low. And later I show you this. What is this maroon colored box marked separately here? Okay, so this is the market structure shift in the internal range, and after price breaking this left side swing, price goes up from this fair value gap and this discount order block. Price goes up, and here you can see that there is an order block and fair value gap in this area. Price taps, and in the New York session it goes down again, and I am expecting that price took this all sell side liquidities and deliver here, which is my first target point, and I am sell today morning from this point. And okay, so this is the 5 minute chart, and here this orange colored box is taken from the yesterday 2 to 5 2 to 8 range. Yes, 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. New York Standard Time, which is our CBDR range, central bank dealer range, and this is the fourth standard deviation of this range. In the upside, price opened in the Asian session at 8 a.m. at this, and little bit consolidation here and then goes up, expand, and later it goes down and took this sell side liquidity, which is a market structure shift initial. And now I'm going to use that indicators. Okay, so this is not any price indicator, this is a time based indicator. This is our Asian session, and before this price range I took as a CBDR. Who knows ICT and learned ICT correctly, they know very well that 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. at the midnight Eastern Standard Time, New York Standard Time, is a central bank dealer range, and this is the fourth quadrant, fourth standard deviation. Price took this fourth standard deviation and then delivered deep down. Then it goes up again, and this is our 1 hour order block in the maroon colored shaded area. And where is that maroon colored box? Okay, so this is that. uh, just a second, guys. Okay, so this is the box that I want to show you, and I'm going to show you that you have this in focus. Okay, so this purple colored box is the today new day opening gap, and before opening Asian session I again marked 2 to 8 central bank dealer range, and when I expand this into upside, and so I noticed that price goes up and took the second standard deviation of the central bank dealer range, and then going down and took this left side swing at the 1 hour chart. Okay, so here is the buy side relative equal lows that firstly I am expecting it took in the CPI news, but price do not takes it, and this black colored is a 1 hour order block in the crude oil today's range. And when I'm in the 5 minute chart, I remarked this POI as the London session first fair value gap in the downside, sell side in imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Here you can see this is the starting of the London session, and at 2:30 a.m. there is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency which I marked, and see the price do not close the body above this PD array, and also respecting the mid part of this PD array. Okay, so after that, if you zoomed in this area, then this left side swing price taken and closed below this swing low, which means now bias is down. We want to forget this relative equal lows liquidity, and this orange color box is the inversion fair value gap of the 5 minute chart, and here the price leaves her footprints, its footprint, like the price leaves a long wicks and down, then going up, leaves long wick down in the consolidation, then goes up and again leaves a wick and then going down. So you can focus on this wicks, and ideally it gives you an idea that price is going to down at that time. Okay, so this is the overall view, and I want to show you this on your notice. Okay, so this is all of the crude oil, my sell short trade, and I want that you have that in your notice, that how I am seeing the price, predict the price, analyze the price, execute the price, and watching the internal range inside of the external range also by using this Bostock basic structure mapping of the smart money concept. Okay, it is working very good in the crude oil. It is working so good in the crude oil. So that's all. I hope it will be valuable for you. And now our targets are, this is the previous week low, and second target I told you in the last lecture, which I do not still uploaded on the YouTube, but yes, it's I completed my upload very soon, and after that I upload also this execution on the YouTube. Okay, here is it. And okay everyone, so this is the daily chart of AUD and ZD that I taught previously in my lectures. that my bias on this particular pair is downside at this relative equal loss and this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Okay, so now I have two things in my mind which makes a nuance. Firstly, price took this order block and go down, and second, price took this buy side liquidity and tap this extreme premium order block and then goes down. So I'm not going to do with this particular pair until my mind is not fully cleared with the direction and the stop placement points and the protector swings. And this last two candles I really caught in the buy long trade from this volume imbalance to this inversion fair value gap upside where I booked my TP, and I already posted on my YouTube channel. You can go on the post section and you can watch that I really execute these two candles. Okay, so here it is. Hope this video will be valuable for you. I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.